Hi, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this approved used Audi Q3 Black Edition 35 TFSI. It comes dressed in the stunning Mythos Black, sure to turn heads when on the road. At the time of this recording, the vehicle has done just 26,888 miles. Standing on 19-inch alloy wheels with the 5 twin arm design, making a bold statement with every turn. For added convenience, the power-operated tailgate makes loading and unloading a breeze when those hands are full. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs, as well as those larger objects. To the rear, you have the stylish leather and cloth upholstery, a centre armrest with 2 cup holders for those longer journeys, and the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. As you can see, there is plenty of head and leg space for both children and adults alike. To the front of the cabin, you have the flat-bottom 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather and cloth upholstery, the iconic S embossed logo, and front centre armrest for extra support. Behind the wheel, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a wide view of the 3D navigation map, so no need to take your eyes off the road. Connection of your mobile phone device to stay in touch with loved ones, and a variety of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to choose from. For added safety, the rear view camera helps to manoeuvre in those tight spaces with confidence and ease. If you like listening to your playlist, then you'll love the SONOS sound system, giving crystal clear audio on every journey. The MMI multimedia display going into phone apps, for wireless use of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's Bluetooth. In the car menu, with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving mode, such as dynamic for a more sporty drive or comfort for those longer journeys. Parking aid for front and rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces. And driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. Radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to sing along to. And the navigation map in 3D to help you easily find your desired destination. Below, you have the dual zone climate control, so both driver and passenger can set the preferred temperature regardless of the weather outside, with the added luxury of heated seats for those chillier mornings. Stay powered up with the 2 USB charging points, finished off with the sleek automatic gearbox, an electric parking brake adding a modern flair to the car's profile, as well as 2 handy cup holders for those morning coffees and a 12-volt charging point. This approved used Audi Q3 is now available and on site. For more information, please contact our sales team, who'd be more than happy to help. Thank you.